Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we're going to review a great way to care for, clean, and condition your King Ranch leather. The leather in your Ford King Ranch is not typical of most leathers used in vehicles. From 2001 to 2008, the Ford King Ranch trucks came with Castano leather. In 2009, Ford switched to Chaparral leather. Both are aniline leathers. Aniline leather is a type of leather dyed exclusively with soluble dyes, without covering the surface with a top coat paint or insoluble pigment. The resulting product retains the hide's natural surface with the grains, such as visible pores, scars, and so on, of the complete original animal skin structure. King Ranch leather doesn't have a protective coating on the surface, like the leather upholstery found in 99.9% of vehicles on the road today. The fact that the leather isn't coated makes it more susceptible to UV-induced cracking and fading, stains caused by accidental spills, abrasions caused by getting in and out of the vehicle, and so on. The key to keeping King Ranch leather looking and feeling new is to clean it properly and feed it the essential oils that it needs to retain a soft, supple texture and flexibility. In the earlier years, King Ranch saddle soap was highly recommended to clean and condition the leather in your Ford King Ranch. But since then, a host of exciting new car care products was released, with the latest evolution of the Pinnacle line taking center stage, like the Black Label collection. Black Label represents a collection of coatings, polishes, and leather care products with the latest technology that surface care has to offer. Pinnacle's Black Label Hide Soft Leather Cleaner is a pH-balanced leather shampoo designed to deep clean leather and vinyl surfaces. Formulated with mink oil and aniline, Hide Soft Leather Cleaner forgoes inexpensive petroleum ingredients and instead relies on advanced chemistry. Hide Soft Leather Cleaner deep cleans leather surfaces without removing the natural oils. Pinnacle Black Label Hide Soft Leather Conditioner restores, conditions, and protects new and old leather surfaces. Formulated with mink oil and aniline, Hide Soft Leather Conditioner forgoes inexpensive petroleum ingredients and instead also relies on advanced chemistry. Designed to restore leather's natural oils, Hide Soft Leather Conditioner protects against cracking and fading while reducing damage caused by abrasion. Natural leather scent restores that new car smell. Before you apply the cleaner, you want to vacuum any loose dirt or debris. While cleaning King Ranch leather, you want to avoid aggressive rubbing or scrubbing. If you get aggressive with it, you will create unwanted textures that will not look or feel right. With a soft microfiber applicator, apply a small amount of Black Label Hide Soft Leather Cleaner directly onto the applicator and gently pat onto the surface, but remember to take your time. As the cleaner is absorbed into the leather, it will look spotty at first, but this is perfectly normal. Then you want to gently rub it into the surface. This leather cleaner removes the dirt, soil, and body oils without drying out or discoloring the leather. And this cleaner actually contains a blend of mink oil, so you're already starting the essential conditioning process. And once the leather is clean, it's time to condition it with Black Label's Hide Soft Leather Conditioner. So I'm going to continue to clean the rest of the King Ranch leather seats, but if you happen to get excess cleaner on the leather, just wipe it off with another microfiber cloth. For the conditioning process, you can use your bare hands because it's much quicker than dabbing the conditioner on the leather, and you could gently massage the conditioner into the King Ranch leather without worrying about creating an uneven texture. Hide Soft Leather Conditioner is formulated using a complex blend of mink oil and lanolin. These two essential products feed and condition the leather, helping to restore its soft, supple texture and rich brown color. And as you apply the conditioner liberally, the leather will quickly absorb it. Again, if the leather looks splotchy at first, this is perfectly normal. And don't forget the stitching. Apply the conditioner extra heavy on all the seams and stitching. Since Hide Soft Leather Conditioner doesn't contain any petroleum ingredients, it won't cause the stitching to dry out or fray. And once again, as you condition the King Ranch leather, it will get dark and have splotchy appearances in some spots, which is absolutely normal. And one really cool thing about cleaning and conditioning King Ranch leather is that the scratches and scuff marks are easily removed. If there's part of the seat where your belt or other items may have scratched the seat, simply apply the conditioner a little heavier in that spot and spend some extra time massaging it in. It will take several hours for the King Ranch leather to return to an even consistency. If you have a fan available, you can place it inside the vehicle or simply check the forecast and put the windows down. And there you have it, a great way to care, clean, and condition your King Ranch leather. And make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.